check out my tofu chop suey. So this is tofu strips with pak chow, tomatoes, which are rich in vitamins A and C and other vitamins and minerals. And yes, it does have a scallion thyme. There's a thyme on top. And what else? It does have some paprika and some garlic powder and also some cumin. Yes. And looking forward to dig in it right away. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.